I finally got my hands on it, folks. This is the new Play for Dream Micro OLED wireless mixed reality headset. So let's just unbox this new VR headset, and there's no doubt about it that it is pretty mind-blowing in terms of the quality. This is right up there with the Apple Vision Pro. It looks like an Apple Vision Pro, to be honest, but it's a Android based system, and you can use it for wireless PC VR, as I say, with virtual desktop. So these are the nifty controllers, and of course you've got the usual gubbins here with the charger. I've noticed how this is a European plug, so just be aware of that, people in the UK. You can get an adapter. Now it's time for the main event, the headset itself, and it does look absolutely beautiful. It isn't well made, it really is. The materials feel absolutely first class, and you definitely have that wow moment when you open it up for the first time. But first, let's just appreciate taking off that protective cover and showing off the front of this headset, which does look really very nice. And there you have all of the cameras, because this thing has eye tracking, hand tracking for gesture control, dynamic foveated rendering built in, you've got high quality pass-through, and of course, because this is a standalone device, you can get rid of those base stations as well. Anyway, let's move on now, because this headset has a big trick up its sleeve, because this has custom pancake lenses paired with a 4K micro OLED display. The same, in fact, that you'll find in my beloved Megan X, which is currently my favourite daily driver VR headset. The resolution is 3840 by 3552, and well, you can use 90Hz and 72Hz, I believe. Mostly it's 72Hz, which actually feels quite comfortable in this headset, but it is that first impression. It's very, very good indeed. The quality of all the materials, apart from, say, the controllers, which feel a little bit plasticky, but not too bad, but the headset itself feels really, really premium. It is a very high-end mixed reality standalone micro OLED MR headset with hand tracking, eye tracking, mixed reality, inside-out tracking, the whole 9 yards.